So hello everybody and welcome to my first ever YouTube video. So hello everybody and welcome to my first ever YouTube video. Ako di ay si Dayanara og karon maghimo ta og makeup tutorial. Cha. So mo ni siya para kanang ibigin mo sa mga foreigner. So karon sagdan na nato ang urin mo og dili na ta magdaghan og istor. Guys, murag heavy na dyan mo kadool. I'm gonna use this Zoeva Matte Voyager mini palette. This one, the orange one, is a transition color. Next is kanishang Lonely City. So mani siya pangano makeup. Yeah, that color. I'm gonna put it here and here. On the tip of the lid, I'm gonna use this palette is from Too Faced, the chocolate gold, and I'm gonna use the shade Live in Lavish. That one. This one too. And let's go with the NYX. And let me just finish my eyelashes. Gonna put some mascara on and my falsies, okay? The number 302. So guys, mo na din siya. Gwapa na na. So ako nagibutang ako ang fake eyelashes. Jar fake na fake. To our face. And today I'm gonna use this Giorgio Armani. Giorgio. Kabastos pa aning ako. Ano mo ni siya Giorgio Armani. And I'm in the shade 6. For the highlighter, I'm gonna use the Fitme Maybelline in this shade 6. Muna siya guys ang kuan contouring the face. Pero mas slim na siya gamay, dili na kayo siya, you know what I mean, hindi na siya masyadong mataba. Charing. Muna siya Urban Decay palette. So it comes with highlighter, blush, and contour. For the blush, I'm gonna use this shade here. Yeah, to contour my nose. I use this Hourglass to set my under eye. I'm also gonna use this highlighter. And for the lips, I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty. First, I'm gonna line my lips with this lip contour from Huda in the shade Trendsetter. And the liquid lipstick, yeah, also the same, Trendsetter. It's just so dramatic. Char! So let me just fix my face with the Prep and Prime matte. So this is the finished product, as you can see. Char! Char! Heavy na dyan. So ana lang no, bahalag pobre basta hilas. So guys, mo ano to siya. Dili na ko magdugay o magkita-kit sa nanto sa sunod na kong video. Char. Okay, so more to bye-bye.